Hello, welcome. My name's Crow. Welcome to Driftwood Hollow Drums and to this little sound demo video that we're making today, and it's to accompany one of our Etsy listings, and it's for this beautiful shamanic drum here. Now this is a deerskin shamanic drum. It's on a mulberry wood frame. It's got a beautiful head. There's quite a lot of very, very fine hairs left in the hair follicles there, and then there's patches where there's quite thickish hair as well. So it's rather beautiful, lots of character. Turn it over. We've got a silver birch handle here, and in the top here I've burnt in an image of a stag's head. So that's rather pretty. I've repeated that. Well, it's not exactly the same image, but it is another stag's head image on the inside of the frame there, along with my maker's mark and also the date of birth. It was the 5th of June in 2022, night in Powys, UK, and that is there so that you can have a little look at the astrological aspects of the drum on the day when the drum was birthed and find out what energies were around. So I'm going to play with a beater, two beaters, a firm beater and a soft beater. Both give a slightly different sound, and either of these are going to be available as an option to purchase if you decide that this is the right drum for you. Excuse the creaking noises that you might be hearing. We're underneath the parasol, try and give us a little bit of shade from this beating sun, and yeah, it's creaking a little bit, so hopefully it won't disturb us too much. Here we go, the firm beater. Gorgeous. And softer beater. Absolutely beautiful, and still creaking away. Well, I hope this has helped you to make a more informed decision. It's very difficult choosing your drum online, not being able to hear what it sounds like, so that's why we make these little videos. I'm Crow, it's been Driftwood Hollow Drums. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.